Hi, welcome to part 3 of my video series. My 5-part series is all about my process for creating a really efficient home office. By this point, you probably have a vision of what you want your space to look like and possibly have considered how you're going to address your challenges. But have you thought of the resources that you can tap into to help you get this job done? Let me remind you, you are your #1 resource. This project is all about you. Your commitment to it is going to be essential to getting the job done and having a really good office space. So really be involved, stay focused so you can get the work done. So as I said, it's about you. So it's about your time, your money, your funds, your budget, and your collaborators. So let's talk quickly about your time. This has to be a high priority project at this point. You really need that home office. So like any other work priority, it goes to the top of the list, which means you block time for it every week. So whether it be once a week for an hour or an hour a day, pick a time slot, book it, and move on and get the work started. As far as your funds go, your budget, we really need to align our finances with our vision. It's very easy to have very grandiose ideas, but our budget might not afford those kind of ideas. There are options at all price points. I have a client who really wanted a standing desk. You know what? I found him one at his price point. He loved it, bought it, and he is so happy. Also, maybe you have limited funds, so then creativity comes in. Maybe you need to repurpose furniture you already have, or go shopping in your family's attic and see what's buried under all the dust. And lastly, your collaborators. We all need to learn to ask for help when we need it. We really can't operate in a vacuum. Brainstorming is so much more effective when we get input from other people. So ask. I'm sure you'll get lots of suggestions. Also, as it relates to the organizing piece, you might need help there. That's a challenge for a lot of people. Having somebody work with you will help you get the job done and keep you much more focused. So consider the resources and pick and choose how you're going to move forward with them. If you need help in the meantime, I'm here to help you. Let's talk. I'm Stephanie Shalovsky, founder of the Organizing Zone, providing on-site and virtual organizing services. You can reach me at 917-375-0631. I look forward to speaking with you.